I have something to share. Everybody who's had the Traxxas Maxx has had this infamous fan where it breaks the blades and it doesn't really cool the motor off and the ESC off very well. You know, that's the actual fan that just is garbage. Anyway, it's a 35 by 35 by 10 millimeter fan. I made some alterations to one of the brackets. I can show you how it works. This is a 40 by 40 by 10 millimeter fan with 3D printed adapters that adapt it and screw directly to the top of it. You cut the top of the shroud off so that the adapter just pretty much straight blows through. You put the 40 by 40 by 10 millimeter fan on there. You 3D print the grate, and this is what they look like. Independent. It is actual dished. You know, this thing prints really mucked up, like it's got a lot of plastic everywhere, and you got to clean it up. And I drilled the holes out, made them clean, scraped all the plastic off of this right here, and made that work. And here's the bracket that goes on to the you see, you know, right here, and that screws straight through. You can see the screws, how I just used standard RC car screws to put it all together, and it's on there really well, like it's not going nowhere. And that'll allow you to upgrade your cooling system without getting, you know, exorbitantly tall and keeping grass from getting in there, because I know a lot of coolers, like, they have crappy fan shrouds that will either inhibit the airflow and allow grass in, or just blocks it all off, like the stock one where the fan just can't blow through anyway because it's all blocked off. Well, this thing puts up an amazing amount of coverage, won't allow stuff to get through, and the airflow is virtually uninhibited. You can blow through it and there's no restriction virtually. So it's a nice upgrade. Pretty much, if you print it, I would recommend printing it in ABS plastic. That way it can handle the heat, because the shroud itself, this right here is made out of ABS plastic. It's the same stuff, so it handles really high heat. Just use some acetone to dip it in to melt all the plastic together, and it'll make a really nice, strong, you know, one-piece construction. The grates and the, you know, 100% fill. Don't make it. Don't do it where it's empty. You want it to be a solid piece of plastic. But get rid of that junker. Go to much higher performance fans. 40 millimeters, push a lot more air. Don't seem like much, but 35 to 40 millimeter, the 40 millimeters move almost twice the amount of air for some reason. And it's just surface area. But anyway, thought I'd share that, and maybe it might help somebody.